We develop technologies that sit at the heart of industry across the globe. Each one has its own long track record of pushing the boundaries of efficiency, quality, and sustainability in its customer industries. From melting aluminium with dramatically less energy, through to tackling scrap in foundries with artificial intelligence. Sustainability is crucial for our industry's future and the world's. Sustainability is the practice of producing products and services in a way that minimizes negative environmental and social impact. It involves minimizing waste, optimizing energy usage, resource efficiency, and responsible sourcing to meet the needs of the present without compromising future generations. At Norican, we strive to be more sustainable ourselves and help our customers do the same. Climate change is a global emergency. It is an issue that requires international cooperation and coordinated solutions at all levels. We at Norican want to leave the planet in a better condition than we found it in and safeguard it for future generations. We want good health and working conditions for all, to protect and support the communities we live, work, and operate in, and find smarter, less wasteful, more efficient ways of doing things. This means driving change within our own business every day. But through our role as influencers and leaders, as customers and technology suppliers, we can also affect positive change beyond our organizations. Built on the 2015 Paris Agreement, science-based targets show others how much and how quickly businesses need to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions to prevent the worst impacts of climate change, leading them on a clear path towards decarbonization. Getting to know your company's emissions is the first step in taking corporate climate action. From there, you can identify emission reduction opportunities and make intelligent business decisions and investments for the future. To begin, greenhouse gas emissions are considered either direct or indirect emissions. These are categorized into 3 groups or scopes by international carbon accounting standards. Scope 1: direct greenhouse gas emissions from sources the company owns or controls, for example, foundry furnaces. Scope 2: indirect greenhouse gas emissions from generating electricity, steam, heat, or cooling consumed by the reporting company. Scope 3: indirect greenhouse gas emissions from a company's customers and suppliers. For Norican, it is our customers' use of Norican's products and services. We were the first in our industry to sign up to science-based targets. By joining, we commit to ambitious climate goals and being held accountable to them. Being part of science-based targets is a clear indication of our commitments, goals, and long-term advantages. Our ambition is to reduce greenhouse gas emission by over 50% by 2030. We commit to reduce absolute Scope 1 and 2 greenhouse gas emissions by 50% by 2032 from a 2021 base year. Our Scope 3 target is for 67% of customers and suppliers to sign up to science-based targets. Taking action towards sustainability is more crucial than ever, and by committing to science-based targets, you'll become a vital part of the global movement to combat climate change. Science-based targets ensure that your organization's environmental goals align with the latest scientific findings, guaranteeing effective and measurable contributions to reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Embracing science-based targets not only showcases your commitment to a greener future, but also enhances brand's reputation, attracts eco-conscious customers, employee retention, fosters innovation within your business, demand from customers and investors, because it's the right thing to do. While the customer gets a focus on reducing waste, efficient equipment, documented greenhouse gas emission, improved process and quality, potential cost reduction, leaner ways of working. Science-based target setting makes business sense. It future-proofs growth, saves money, provides resilience against regulation, boosts investor confidence, empowers innovation and competitiveness, while also demonstrating your sustainability commitments to increasingly conscious consumers. Together, let's shape industry towards a more sustainable world, leaving a lasting, positive impact for generations to come. Join us in setting emissions reduction targets and pave the way towards a brighter, greener future.